is the breakfast menu. Yummy! Scrambled eggs, sausages, pancakes. Pancakes? Oh, I forgot that Polly is no longer obsessed with pancakes. Wow, this is so beautiful. Huh? What's this? The restaurant is looking for a master chef? What? The pancakes are a disaster! Oh, no! No! I'm not a good cook, am I? I need to hire as a master chef, but, I can't cook properly. Well, anyway, let's just wait for the restaurant to open. Here comes a customer.
Excuse me, Miss M, you're a master chef, but why are you not wearing a master chef's outfit?
Ouchie! Why did you kick me out?
If you want to work here, you'll need to be a master chef, and you aren't one. So get lost!
I think I'm gonna go ahead and cry a river. Did I just realize I have my Disguise-a-morph with me? I got it! What is inside? It's just a purse. She's not here. Let's walk! All right, it's time to say the magic words. Disguise-a-morph! I'm becoming a master chef. Wow, it's so beautiful. I've become a master chef.
So, you again? Did you become a master chef?
I sure did. Look at my outfit.
Good. Are you trying to cook some food?
Sure.
Good idea. I have a first order for you. Now get to work.
All right, I'm the master chef right now, and let's see the order. My first customer wants scrambled eggs, sausages, and potatoes. Okie dokie. Let's see here. Eggs, sausages, potatoes. Why are the potatoes...
Did somebody say potatoes?
Oh yeah, the order is about potatoes. How do I cook?
Well, Miss Madson, you need to boil these potatoes.
After peeling the potatoes?
Yes, that's right.
Good. Next is eggs and sausages. Using the pan on the stove. And jolly good. Let's see about the potatoes. Soft and tasty. Oh, eggs and sausages. Beautiful! Now the eggs and sausages should be ready in a bit. Phew, done. The breakfast is ready.
Good job, Miss Madson. Now you give that to the customer.
Okay, Mrs. Lynn.
That food is for the counter.
Sure you can. Counter foods. Who needs counter foods, gotcha? Here you go. Eggs, sausages, and mashed potatoes, and I call it counter breakfast.
Thank you so much.
Hello, welcome to Breakfast Bungalow. Can I take your order?
I have a pancakes.
Good. Miss Madson, I got another order.
Okie dokie, I coming. Pancakes. How many stacks of pancakes? 3 stacks. Okay, but I need pancake mixture.
Here's the mixture.
Thank you, Mrs. Harper. Let's take 1, 2, 3. 3 pancakes to cook.
Another order, miss.
What is this? An English muffin? What am I gonna make an English muffin? It needs sausages, eggs, and cheese. First, flip the pancake. Perfect. Now let the pancakes, sausages, and eggs cook. But I don't know why am I to make an English muffin.
Here you go.
Thanks, let's take it out the cooked foods. There we go, 2 trays, 2 customers. That pancakes is for counter number 1, and English muffin sandwich is for number 2. Who's anyone?
Hey, over here. Where's my pancakes?
Pancakes! Here you go. Enjoy! Where is counter number 2 for English muffin?
Here I am.
Found it! Here you go. English muffin sandwich!
Thank you.
Phew! I love the Disguise-a-More for I can transform.
Well done, Miss M. You're the restaurant's newest master chef.
Thank you so much, Lynn. I may be the new Gordon Ramsay.
I wish you the best of luck cooking like him, Miss M.
You say so, Lynn!